Hi, this is Joachim from Materialise. In this tutorial video, we'll talk about the manual fixing tools in Magix. In Magix, you can do fixing in three different ways. You can apply automatic fixing, you can use the part fixing info page for semi-automatic fixing tools, or you can use the manual fixing tools. The manual fixing tools are only needed in exceptional cases to assist the automatic or semi-automatic tools at a specific fixing step. If you would like to learn more about the automatic and semi-automatic fixing options, please see our tutorials on these topics. In order to demonstrate the different capabilities of the manual fixing tools, I'll be using a part that has been distorted on purpose, and I will apply manual fixing on it. You can find most of the manual fixing tools in your default fix ribbon or in the manual options in the fix pages. Let's start with having a look at the part fixing info page to see which errors our part has. The first kind of errors are inverted normals. The single manual function to manually fix these is the invert normals function on the fix ribbon. Although it's not common, you can use this manual tool when there is a region of inverted normals in a part that is misleading the automatic or semi-automatic fixing tools, for example. This function works by inverting any marked triangles. For more information on the marking tools, you can watch our marking videos. So you can simply mark triangles, you can even mark planes and invert them. If no triangles are marked, this function will invert all the triangles of the part, like this. For now, let's use the semi-automatic fixing tools and fix all our inverted normals. The next errors we can fix are the near bad edges. To fix this manually, we can go to the near bad edges page here, and we can perform stitching to connect the triangle edges that are very close to each other, but not quite connected. Magix will always estimate a stitching tolerance for a part, which you can change, and you can even decide on the number of stitching iterations. For example, in case you would like to enforce a certain stitching tolerance, you can use this option. For now, let's use the estimated gap size. There we go. After that, we have holes. Holes occur if there are triangles missing from a shell. If your part has holes with complex geometries, you can use this option. I will be using a different part for this example to demonstrate different hole fixing algorithms available. Planar hole filling is ideal when you have a relatively flat surface, like here. Enter fill hole mode and fill your hole. The ruled hole filler is useful when you have a curved surface. You can create a triangle or bridge like this, indicate it as a reference, and then fill your hole. There we are. Finally, for irregular holes, you can use the freeform hole filling. Simply select the level of sensitivity and fill your hole. There we go. To fix the last two categories of errors, intersecting triangles and overlapping triangles, we have a single triangle page. For both of these errors, the safest and easiest manual tool is Unify. In case Unify does not solve all the errors, other tools are at your disposal. By marking the intersecting triangles, you can inspect them further. Additionally, you can trim the triangles you have just marked. This will create new errors, but it will also solve some of the issues you are struggling with. You can also filter out sharp triangles. Finally, in case there are overlapping triangles in your part, which are out of the tolerances for automatic or semi-automatic fixing, you can mark them. Depending on the geometry, you can choose to delete these triangles and fill the created hole. You can remove sharp triangles, or you can use the Move Part Points option to drag down the corner of the overlapping triangles. That's what we will do here. There we go. Finally, we can see from the part fixing info page that our part is fully fixed and ready to print. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to check our other tutorial videos. For further questions about our software, please do not hesitate to contact the support line of your nearest Materialise office.